when the people of Jamaica is so laid back, and I use a little bit of summer I have here and come up with this production. Remember now, I only had the spring in like, well, good weather. I had it like May, and these start coming in from say about September fully. Look at what I produce. Look at it. Even the pumpkin. Isn't that amazing? Oh man, it would be beautiful if everyone that could put something in the ground and get it back like this. This is not plastic. This is all real. Look at it. Look at them. I wash them and dry them, and most of them Scotch Bonnet. Only a few, you know what I'm saying, is the hot pepper. This is the blessing of the Lord that He wants us to produce, and in return we will have it abundantly.
Thank you for watching.